Hello, this is Mike from MFWoodShop. Today, I'm going to replace my old temporary solution switch on my table saw. It's not a good solution for even for temporarily, because it's so easy to turn on. But I did just get a new paddle switch. Let's put it on. If you're not comfortable with wiring, hire an electrician to do this for you. It's pretty straightforward, really. On the old switch, you tied the white together, and on either side of the lag switch, you tied in your black switches, and of course your grounds got connected together. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's exactly what's happened. As you can see, the power's off. I unplugged this switch. So let's tear this apart and get that new switch in. Okay, I got the switch hooked up, and it's going to be really hard for you to see this, but the back of the switch, one side here is load, and the other side this way is the power, or from the outlet. So I got two white wires on either side, two black wires on either side, and the ground is hooked up to the machine itself. So that's how my hookup goes on. I just have to flip this whole thing in, set this into the box, and be done. All right, got the switch hooked up. See, a big old stop paddle switch is a lot safer. and I kind of have to dig to find the start key, so it's kind of offset a little bit, so it's a little safer as well. So I think I'm ready to plug this in and give her a shot. Half the battle is plugging it in and worried about shocks, so we're good there. Get that. There we go. It works. It's Mike from MFWoodShop. Thanks for watching.